we made it with 52. So I was at Port Augusta with 25. Oh, sorry, we're at Snowtown. Except it's not really in Snowtown. It's here at the Shell. So we're going up to, that's all, we'll get 111. Let's go and have a look. So this is a brand new, and it's undercover. Look at that, how good is that? All undercover. There's the charging, brand new charger at Snowtown. There's the cabinets here. It's just in an empty paddock. Look at that paddock there and the wind turbines. Get a photo of the plug share variety. Outside. Let's get the plug share. So I like how it's undercover though. That's really good. Everyone says it needs the chargers need to be undercover. Free. $150. So 15 minutes roughly. Getting 90 kilowatts, 92 kilowatts. Now I heard there are really good curries here, so I might just go and have a look, have a wander in and go and check it out. See what it says. Oh, look at that curry, a beef vindaloo. We couldn't resist getting the curry, they look so good. So we got a lovely curry here at the Snowtown Shell as we're charging. Lots of trucks zooming past. So that was a vindaloo curry and rice for $12.99 for a large. So we'll snack on it now and might save a little bit for later. Yum yum yum. Curry curry curry. Can't beat a curry. Look at that, very nice. Woohoo! All right, look at this. We have another Polestar. This is Lachlan. I reckon it looks pretty smart on there. So we'll have to do a deal maybe.
Yes. Yeah. I've got a second set.
So, and then we've got Steve here doing the jet charger. So it's all happening. I'm not sure whether I'm going to get to my destination tonight. I'm too busy chatting. So Steve here is inputting the 7 kilowatt jet charger in there. So that'll be backup if there's something ever wrong with the Rapid. You can use this. See the switchboard and the charger. Very cool. It's all happening here in Snowtown. Better get on the road or I'm never going to get to my destination. Cool. And I got my business cards out to give out. And Twig, maybe didn't I let Twig out? Oh yeah, I did let her out. She's having a nap. Having a nap, Twig. Doggy. I'll let her out.
Oh, you got a border collie?
Yeah.
Oh, I got a collie. We just lost her last
Oh no.
Last year.
That's sad. How did from
Oh, hello.
Twig out?
Oh, that reminds me of our girl because it's a small, what I would call a small sheep farmer's border collie. Hello, you gorgeous thing. It's like Ebony, isn't it? Just like Evie. Well, Evie was a little bit bigger, but she's a small border collie like that.
She's actually a coolie collie, but
Collie.
she came out the wrong colour.
Ah, okay.
And with
yeah.
long hair, she's like a genetic throwback.
Yeah, right.
But
There you go. Oh.
she's like my travel companion. She loves going on the road trips.
Oh.
And I always take her photo when I do the plug share.
Yeah,
She always sits in there. The RAA's noticed that I you can give her tummy a rub.
What do you do for plug share?
When I do the photo, I get her to stand in front of it.
Yeah,
She's
yeah.
like the model.
Oh, you do the rating?
Yeah.
For the plug share
Her
rating.
name's Twiggy.
Twiggy?
Twiggy the supermodel.
Hello, Twiggy the supermodel. Hello. Hello. Seems just like Ebony.
Oh, I'm sorry. Was it old age or no?
Yeah, in many ways. She was 10. No, she was 14. Almost 14.
Yeah.
So she
My,
was, yeah, she had a good run.
yeah, my last one made it to 15. So
Right. Yeah.
she's 7. So
Right. Yeah.
middle-aged dog.
Yeah.
You need it when you come back.
Yeah. It's nice to have the 7 kilowatts. It's kind of a backup, you know. So
Yeah. Some cars I don't think can accept
the Rapids.
the rapids.
But yeah, it's interesting to see how they all look when you take them apart.
Not much to it, really.
EV enthusiasts would like that. So
Dust and all.
I mean, the 7 kilowatt, my one in my garage is 5 kilowatts, I think.
Yeah.
So they're not really much more than what you have in your garage, really.
I think it's planned to put another one alongside this later.
All right.
It's a lot of work to get it all in.
Yeah, no, it's good. The RAA is really good at maintenance and making sure they work, because some of the other ones in New South Wales and like the Tritium, they have a bad reputation. So Campower is really good. Like they always seem to work and they're really rock solid. So
Yep. No, very good.
all right, see you later. There's the Polestar, 2 Polestars. Look at that.
Please God, pass them and have drunk of the sweet waters, so do not mourn over much. Till then I shall not ask you to forgive me. Arthur and all slept with more or less reality of sleep. The 29th of September night, a little before 12 o'clock, we three, Arthur, Quincy Morris and myself, called for the Professor. It was odd to notice that my
Port Augusta, and we're doing just a quick charge to get to Kimba. I think the car said I could get to Kimba with 9%, so I thought, oh well, I'll just be safe and do it from 50 to 70, getting 100 kilowatts at 51. Gentleman here, I've been chasing him as you do with all the other EVs. You seem to chase them from charger to charger. I saw the girl with the red and the white one too. I passed her.
Oh yeah, she's about 50 k's out.
Yeah, friendly constabulary. Checking up on the local citizens. So Port Augusta's a total dry zone now, because they've had issues in the past, but I see they're all taking care of each other. Twiggy, what do you reckon? Alright, that shouldn't take too long. So we're already 53, only getting 99 kilowatts. I'm not sure what these ones were, 120s, or I guess I'm at 53, so I was never really going to get more than that. Twiggy, come here, be careful. Alright, we're just going to go to 70 to try and get to Kimba. We're at 98 kilowatts. Ramping a bit down, ramping down, ramping down. Nice spot here right on the water. And Twiggy, want some water? Get some water? Did you drink all of it? Here's some water. You're a good girl. You're a good girl. Alright. Almost there, sun setting. Going to be driving right into the sun. Happy days, almost there. Gonna find somewhere to camp tonight. Yes we are, yes we are. Alright, that was a super quick top up to 70% from 52 to 70. Only took about 10-15 minutes. Twiggy had a quick drink of water, had a chat to the Tesla bloke. We're gonna keep going to Kimba, but the sun's gonna set in about an hour and it's an hour and a half away, so might end up on the side of the highway. The Tesla people are going to free camp as well, but I'm going to be ahead of them. But yeah, so be it. I love just playing it by ear, as they say. Let's go. The scanner on. We've got the scanner on. Heaps of cops around here. People hanging out. Twiggy, let's go. Thanks for watching. Woohoo. Okay, we arrived at Kimba just on dark. Twiggy, we made it. And I've just been sitting here. I had the leftover curry. There was more curries in the Shell Roadhouse there. So sorry, I'm at the Roadhouse, Kimba Roadhouse Caravan Park. I just decided to, rather than sleeping on the side of the road, pay the $25 and so I can have a shower later. And yeah, I could get a powered site for an extra $5 and charge the car, he said, but I'd rather not. I'd rather be out in this little spot by myself and just charge tomorrow. Yeah, but I'll be charging at a campground later, I think, hopefully at the Roadhouse. So I was sitting here, or I can watch YouTube, and I had some dinner, and we can go over the trip stats. So 625 kilometers today, efficiency of 16.6 kilowatt hours per 100. So pretty pleased with that, actually. I think I had a tailwind most of the southerly, so it blew me up the Gulf. 7 hours and 47 minutes driving, although some of that was probably just sitting in the front seat. And 83 kilometers an hour was the average. And yeah, so odometer's 15,893, so we're almost clocked over the 16th hour in, I don't know, November, so it's been probably 5 or 6 months since we've had the car. Watch YouTube there, see my own channel there. Had the curry. Twig's about to have some dinner. Hey Twig, been a good road trip, dog? Yeah, it was great. I would have gotten here before dark if I hadn't have chatted so long in Snowtown. So that was fun, chatting to the Polestar owner there, and the technician, and having a bit of curry for lunch. And yeah, so I guess now it's May, so it's getting dark sooner. You know, road tripping in December, January means that you can drive till 8 o'clock, but or even past 8 o'clock. Now it gets dark at about 5:30, or sun sets about 5:30 or so, and gets dark by just after 6. So yeah, that means shorter days of driving, but we're in good shape, and we'll roll out the swag now that we've had dinner, and I might show you that once we've done that. Cool bananas. Hey Twig, you ready for your din-dins? Good girl. Peace out. Alright, it's a bit dark. Might show you in the morning, but that's the bed set up there. The black hole. Yeah, it's all in the back, so the only thing I took out to make it fit is the car fridge, but otherwise everything fits in. And this is Twiggy's little spot there next to me. I will show you in the morning because you'll see better light. And Twig, where is she? There she is, up to no good. And magnificent car again, made it just perfectly. So yeah, the front's pretty much not even has any stuff in it, so could have heaps more. But so this is the bed to climb in there once Twiggy gets in there. Lucky I'm short because it's just perfect for me. And it's pretty chilly already. I can't remember what it was like. Whatever it is, about 15 or something. There's the D-power charger. Have to get that going. Could have used it tonight if I had a powered site, but it's fairly busy over there. It is school holidays, and this is the main route across from WA, so there's lots of people constantly going through this highway. Although the traffic wasn't really that bad. Was it, Twig? Alright, so we did the EV threads. Now we're going to do Facebook, the 3 Facebooks. You probably can't even see me with the head torch on. Very much. My face. See you in the morning when the light is on. Good night. Morning. Here we are in a foggy Kimba. I don't think it's actually raining. I think it's just fog, and then it's condensating on the trees and dropping down. And yeah, it was a good night's sleep, other than the trucks. Obviously you can hear one coming past, a road train, triple trailer, and yeah, I didn't record my sleeping arrangements because it was dark, and then I just packed up this morning with forgetting to do a quick record. Twig had a good night. She's in a little spot. I will show you at some point. And there's the other campers. I'm off here to myself, and now we're gonna do some charging. We'll go and charge over and then head further west. I'm actually a bit worried because I just realized there's absolutely no Optus coverage or Telstra coverage west of Ceduna, and the car runs on Optus. So yeah, I might give Polestar support a call and ask them what they suggest. It's going to suck because I'm going to have no music or maps or anything like that. I could Apple CarPlay, but I remember when I went through like the not Outback, but the back of Armadale, Dubbo, that area, the car did not like not being without coverage. So we'll have to see how that goes. Here we go, off we go. See you at the charger just over there.